Hi, good day. So today we're gonna talk about the immune system, okay? So first off, I want to introduce myself. My name is Just Christian Nabo from 12 STEM 12E6. So for today, our learning outcomes is to identify and label the components of the system and explain their function, determine the tissues that are responsible for the functioning of each component, differentiate innate external and internal defenses, innate and adaptive immunity. Okay, so we were tasked to watch this anime, which is Cells at Work, which is a very nice anime, by the way. Okay, so next is we're gonna explain what are the type of immune defense in each episode, cells involved in function. So for episode 1, the type of immune defense is innate external immune system, while the cells involved are white blood cells and killer T cells, and its function is to kill all pneumococcus. Okay, so for episode 3, the type of immune defense is adapted immune system. Cells involved are white blood cells, killer T cells, macrophage, effector T cell, and B cell. What's their function? To kill the type B influenza. And for the last, it's episode 10, which is the type of immune defense is innate immune system. And the cells involved is white blood cells and macrophage. And its function is to kill all Staphylococcus aureus. Okay, so here are the characters. We have red blood cell, white blood cell, killer T cell, macrophage, platelet, regulatory T cell, helper T cell, dendritic cell, B cell, naive T cell, effector T cell, memory T cell, monocyte, Staphylococcus aureus, and pneumococcus. So, what did the characters in the enemy represent? So, simple answer lang. The characters represent the immune system, diba? So, next question. Why did it take a while for the immune system to defeat the virus? So in the anime, it is seen that the type B influenza was so rampant, like it was so violent that it was infecting normal cells. So it still needs to fight off the virus, but then it came a time that it was too much for the white blood cells and kill T cells and macrophage. But hold on, because the B cell and the effector T cell came to the rescue and helped kill the type B influenza. But in the ending of the episode, type A influenza came and no one can kill the type A influenza. Like, he is so strong. Okay, so for our next question, is high dose cytotoxics or killer band cells differ? So, the main difference between T cells and B cells is that T cells can only recognize viral antigens outside the infected cells, whereas B cells can recognize the surface antigens of bacteria and viruses. Okay, so how can we trace the process, the development of adaptive immunity? So, first, monocytes will eat pathogen, and in the second step, it reveals part of antigen on cell surface. The third step is the receptor on helper T cell identifies the antigen, and the fourth step, helper T cell divides and triggers signals. And fifth step, killer T cells become activated to attack specific pathogen. Sixth step, B cells become activated and produce antibodies. And the last step, memory cells are produced in case of future infection. Okay, so there you have it. Those are the process of the development of adaptive immunity. Okay, so we have come to the last and hi, thank you again for watching my discussions for today. So thank you so much. This is Jess. Stay safe and take care always. See you next time. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much.